Welcome to Intersys Newsroom.
I am Mike.
And I am Rita.
Over the past many years, software development has evolved the most. Like every year's new software development features and styles, there have been some trending things related to it in 2024 as well.
Software development is a vast and dynamic field that keeps adapting to new technologies and advanced tools. As we look ahead to Software Development Trends 2025, it's important to stay updated about the most commonly used software development trends that are now in the industry.
Constant development and new software development experiments are at the core as the competition is high. It is continuously changing and always in flux. Software development has been affected by modern AI tools and new technologies.
As new things and technologies continue to be invented, software development is becoming more advanced every year. It can now have every feature a customer has in mind, such as an idea or an imagination.
Software development trends in 2025.
Let's get deep into the top software development trends 2025 as you're about to find out the latest technologies in its industry.
The trend of low-code development will continue.
The process of creating software might take a long time. However, what if there was a simpler method that required less code to make apps? The development of low-code applications is the ideal method.
Companies of all sizes will use low-code development in the future, according to another research. It shows that within 10 years, the adoption rate will even pass 50%. This raises the issue of how to begin low-code development. And what are some of the most effective applications that a low-code platform can accomplish?
Let's first clarify what low-code development is before we get started. One software engineering technique that helps developers to swiftly realize a concept on a tight budget is little-code software development.
Low-code platforms work similarly to specialized IDEs, integrated development environments. What exactly is purpose-built, you ask? It merely indicates that platforms are made with distinct tools to meet various objectives and difficulties.
Let's now examine some of the most well-known and prevalent low-code use cases in order to gain a more practical understanding. Using an already existing SaaS architecture with strong add-on capabilities that are tailored to your company's specific requirements.
Switching to contemporary web-hosted relational databases from conventional spreadsheets.
Updating outdated software to increase maintainability and prolong its useful life.
Constructing sophisticated apps from the ground up in a quicker and simpler manner. Building a complete stack online application that combines a number of elements, including data visualization and business intelligence, to create a compelling user experience.
IoB, Internet of Behavior for customization.
One of the newer software development trends that builds on the Internet of Things, IoT, is the Internet of Behavior, IoB, which tracks and analyzes user behavior as they interact with devices and apps in addition to collecting data from devices.
By 2024, 40% of the global population has had their habits observed despite IoB's lack of widespread adoption. A more specified user experience can be produced using the data collected by IoB.
Startups can observe and learn how IoB is used by Facebook and YouTube to deliver custom ads and content according to user preferences and behavior. IoB usage is expected to increase as customization plays a bigger role in the digital experience.
Application of blockchain technology beyond cryptocurrency.
Although blockchain technology is not new, experts in the field believe it is affecting the software development sector in many ways now. Tech experts believe that in the future, it will disrupt the software development industry as it has already expanded so much in the field.
Companies from a big range of sectors are starting to adopt the technology as they realize its benefits and usefulness, especially since blockchain's decentralization provides extraordinary security.
It is predicted that the growth of decentralized systems in many software development domains, such as media, supply chain monitoring, healthcare, and a lot more, will continue in the current course. This is because blockchain is transparent and incorruptible due to its decentralized structure.
Developers keep on finding new ways to build custom software development around blockchain technology. It drives the blockchain market toward a CAGR of 58.9%, with a projected value of $20 billion by the end of 2024.
Augmented reality versus virtual reality.
Augmented reality and virtual reality are now widely becoming powerful tools for businesses and consumers alike. These two technologies are changing the way we engage and interact with the digital industry, creating modern experiences that can be used for everything from gaming to training.
According to research, the global market size for augmented and virtual reality was expected to reach $72.8 billion by 2024. As the technology keeps on improving and becoming more accessible, the use of AR and VR is expected to grow.
Some of the main software development trends making AR and VR grow more include
good and advanced hardware, which includes the development of more advanced smartphones and headsets with modern features, are making AR and VR more affordable and accessible.
Businesses are now adopting AR and VR too much. It is to improve customer engagement, boost training, and streamline operations.
Developers are creating different types and ideas of innovative AR and VR software, from healthcare tools to educational applications and virtual shopping experiences.
Low-code/no-code development.
It is true that developing software can be a long and tedious process. Low-code and no-code development now offer developers a much faster and easier way to create apps. The good thing is that it doesn't require much of the coding.
It also allows the teams to deliver in record time. Development experts suggest that the key drivers that speed up the adoption of low-no-code development are
the growing number of business technologists,
increasing levels of hyper-automation at the enterprise level,
business initiates that are capable of being composed.
According to market research, firms are now choosing the low-code development pathway as there is increasing demand for fast delivery of the applications, while the customers want everything customized.
These development types allow the development teams to build apps on an affordable or short budget and in shorter timeframes.
Purpose-built integrated development environments, IDEs, or platforms that are specially made to handle certain needs and challenges work similarly to low-code platforms.
Several well-known low-code platforms are Visual Lanza, Appian, and Mendix.
Low-code use cases include, for instance,
using an already existing SaaS infrastructure with features created to a particular business's requirements,
making the switch from spreadsheets to cloud-based relational databases,
creating contemporary versions of outdated programs.
Dominance of cloud computing.
As companies want operational flexibility and scalability, cloud services are becoming more and more popular. With an emphasis on software as a service, infrastructure as a service, and platform as a service, cloud-native development is very important now. Businesses are making major investments in cloud infrastructure to boost digital transformation and remote work.
Integration of DevSecOps.
The integration of security into the process of development, DevSecOps, is gaining reputation and importance as cyber threats become more sophisticated.
This approach makes sure that security is prioritized at every stage of development. It reduces vulnerabilities and improves compliance.
Organizations adopting DevSecOps are now experiencing faster deployment times and boosted security postures.
Evolution of AI.
AI is expected to gain traction in 2025 as well, given that companies that have contracts with AI software and use AI technologies the most are likely to succeed. The area of natural language.
Processing NLP, which allows computers to write text and software programs, is of specific interest, and awareness of ethical AI, that is, ensuring software engineers program machines to do the right thing, is likely to rise as computers take over human functions even more.
Everywhere, the Internet of Things is being integrated.
To put it simply, the Internet of Things is the interconnection of computer devices with commonplace objects through the use of the Internet. Business Insider predicts that there will be 65 billion IoT devices globally by 2025, 6 times as many as there were in 2018.
The technology's capacity to gather vast volumes of data from sensors, process it, and transmit it via cloud networks has already led to its active application in a number of industries. IoT is one of the trends in the software development market because of this flawless method, which ensures minimal delays and high security and creates an interactive visual interface experience.
In 2025, we will witness the emergence of IoT, blockchain technology, mixed reality, and augmented reality usage in the healthcare sector and remote work organizations. In 2025, addition to the typical applications of IoT, such as smart devices, predictive support on mobile platforms, smart home security systems, biometric cybersecurity sensors, etc.
Conclusion.
The tremendous shift to digital and the confluence of AI and new technologies aimed at improving our working and living conditions are the main drivers of current trends in software development.
An increasing number of people are adopting technology that has been available for a while. As more use cases and security benefits become apparent to businesses, these include blockchain technology, NFTs, and PWAs.